Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn this beautiful look with this orangey, yellow and like fire type of eye look. Why I have created this look? Because of my next painting, Matchstick. If you want to see that painting, then the link will be given in the description box. Okay, before I start this video, I want to tell you guys that most of the friends and most of the Instagram followers are messaging me. Please tell me your hair care routine. What is your haircut and how do you take care of your hair in this lockdown period? Because we don't get products, yeah. You don't get any products. So if you want to know my hair care routine, my this bouncy hair and all, then please comment me on this. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, like my videos and share with your friends.
So this is my bare face. Oh my god, I was so tired that day. And here I am taking my eyes really close by. I have just put my lenses, and here's my concealer for my lid. I'm applying and I'm just going to blend it really nicely. So blend, 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 blend. This is a Maybelline. This is a concealer from Maybelline. It's the shade 10 light, and I'm just going to blend it. You can see it just suits my skin tone, and I'm just going to take its skin tone. Anyhow, we are going to create a really nice orangey fire like look. So we just want the base to be really stronger to hold up all the colors. So I'm just going to blend, 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 blend. This is the brushes I have got from Amazon, and these are really good brushes. If you want any reviews on my brushes and any tutorials on my brushes, then let me know on my comment below, so I can do some videos for you all guys. And these are not really expensive. You get this set of these brushes, and these are really amazing. For this look, I have bought this palette from Makeup Revolution, and this is a gorgeous palette. I have showed you in my last video, and if you have not seen my video, then please go check it out. So this is the yellow color I have taken. See the payoff of the color, see the application of the color. Oh my god, I was so happy with that color which came on my lid. You can just see how, oh my god, it's just coming up so rich yellow color, and I was really happy. I was really happy with the color. And only this color, and work it up with some different looks and all. So I love colors, as you know, I'm an artist, so I love colors. I love to play with colors and all. So anyhow, I just wanted to prep my skin also, so I just wanted some color on my skin and all. So next I'm going to take this orange color from this palette only, and I'm just going to blend it, and I'm just going to apply it from my crease, and then I'm going to blend, 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 blend. Blend it really well. We don't want any patchiness. We don't want any patch like this is yellow and that is red. We don't want any partition over there. We just want that. Yeah, this is the brush I have got from that kit only. So these are really soft bristles and really amazing brushes. So with that brushes only, I'm just blending it. I'm just really blending it really nicely. So I don't have any of the patchiness over here. For next, I'm using this orange shade. This is lava, and it's really like a lava color. It's not coming up because I was just taking a really little color, but nah, yeah, see that pair of the color. Oh my god, it was just orange, gorgeous orange, the perfect orange that I wanted to look this fiery look. And I'm just going to apply this yellow color in the center with my fingers, and see that look. Oh my god, I was so obsessed with this look that I full day I was shooting with this look only. So I was just loving this look. And now I'm just going to take the black color, and I'm just going to blend it little bit. Just so these colors are really pigmented, so take a really little amount of black color and just blend it. Just blend, 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 blend. This is really a pencil type of the blending brush I had taken. So make sure that you don't want any of the patchiness to happen, and just blend it really nicely. And I was so happy with the eye look, and I was really happy with the eye look. So I'll just dust out all the fallout. And here I'm taking the MAC Cosmetic color corrector palette. I'm just going to blend it with a Nykaa sponge and just going to blend. I love MAC concealers because it is in the palette and I have all the shades, and it just cancels out all the darkness from my skin. And nowadays, like I'm just getting this some dark spot on my skin, so because of that I have just got some Opton from my friend, and I'm just going to see it. If I love it, then I'm going to recommend you guys, and you can just call her up and you can buy it. So here I'm going to blend my foundation of Makeup Revolution stick foundation. It is shade number FC, and this is a beautiful dewy foundation, and you can see the glow on my skin. It just glowy, dewy, and really nice. For this foundation, don't apply a lot of foundation. You go just really little foundation, it goes long way. For my loose powder, and it is the shade Fair. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline eyeliner pencil, and it's really gorgeous pencil. It's a versatile pencil. It's really cheap also. It's like 300 bucks something, yes. And it's really inexpensive. It's really nice. I'm just going to apply the same pencil in my bottom line. Just don't apply it really dark, just go it really soft and really nicely. Now I'm going to apply the same orange lava color under my eyelid. I'm just going to blend it. Next I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution my Maybelline contour stick, and I'm just going to take the bronzy side, contour side. I'm going to contour my cheekbones, nose, jawlines, and all over my face. Now I'm going to spray my Spick spray. You know, it's all time favorite. It's Smashbox, and I'm just going to blend. Now I'm taking up the lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick. It's Clay Crush from Maybelline, and I'm just going to blend out the remaining, and here my look is ready. I hope you like this look, and I hope you like this look. And if you love this look, I just loved it. I just love this eye look and this full look. Then so if you like this look, then please comment me below and tell me that I look beautiful. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching my video. I will be coming up with the new creative looks and amazing looks as I'm an artist. So bye.